Hi guys, how are you? I hope I'm audible and my video is clear. Can you confirm on the chat? Hi guys, excited for the launch? Okay, not audible. Cool, let me just share my screen, okay, and enter our famous git push command, okay, and of course, with that, auto deployment will trigger and it will be live. Cool, let me just present 1 second. Yes. So let me open this. Of course, is the website which is supposed to go live right now, and I have my Git terminal open, with which I just have to write the command of git push origin main, and with this, our auto deployment will trigger, and of course, shadi.com will be live. Super excited. Let me just trigger it. Yeah. Okay. Some issue has happened. Let me just first push. Uh-oh, some conflicts. Let me just let me just clear it and again reshare. 1 second. Hmm. Cool. आपकी शादी हो गई है क्या? Code neurons. Let me just check the status and let me just refresh it. Yep. Okay, some issue has happened. Let me just fix it again. 1 second. Mhm. Yes, cool. So we are sorted mostly. Let me have a look at my analytics. Yes, okay, cool. I think people who are reporting that sign-in functionality is not working, yes, there was an issue. I would recommend you to again go for devshadi.com, okay, in a new tab and then try. Things will be sorted. So mostly the email whitelisting was one of the issue which I have resolved. Things should work now. Let me know. Cool. So things should be working now, guys. There was some too. Uh, so I can see my is there, and of course, I can see one profile which matches my preference criteria. The photo has not been uploaded. There are some details about the profile. Okay, cool. And let me also have a look at the analytics. Great. We have 88 active users. Awesome. Let me just log out, log in. Yes. So devshadi.com is finally live, guys, and you can experience it, create your profiles, check out things. If you have some issues, feedback, okay, bugs, feel free to fill the relevant forms. Try to play around with the website. Uh, yeah, That's it. Let me know if you all are still facing any issue. Cool. I can see um, reasonable number of signups. Great. Great. Why are we using Vercel instead of natural clouds? So yeah, I mean, Ashwin, it satisfies all my requirements. I'm not facing any issues as such with Vercel. It's pretty easy to deploy, and I don't find the need, at least, of a cloud deployment as of now. Okay, so I would like to, keep it simple. And then, of course, which tech stack have you used? I've used React uh, mostly. Uh, no match found. Okay. So, Pankaj, basically, the match algorithm mostly revolves around the preferences, partner preferences, which you have set. Okay. And it can, of course, be updated by going to a profile. Okay. But still, yeah, I mean, it's possible that you know, the partner preferences you have set, they do not match up with anyone's profile. So, you might need to wait a bit more for more signups to happen. Okay. And yeah, things will be sorted. Okay, so tech stack for backend, I've used a backend as a service solution named as Supabase. Okay, so yeah, that is, and PostgreSQL for DB. Yes. As of now, I'm not planning to launch an app. I would like to get involved, with the. I would like to, first analyze how's the response, how's the data, and then, I will take further decisions of, building an app or not. Okay. So I've, developed the website considering mobile view uh, as one of the priority options. So you would find a good experience at mobile view as well. Debug mode is still at some places. Okay. Okay. I'll have a look. You can let me know, Neil, how many total users are there. Okay. So till now we have around 45 registrations and active users on the website around how many? 85. So if I just show you the analytics, yes, we have around 85 users in the past 30 minutes. Okay. Of course, I have to still announce it on various platforms that the platform is live. Of course, I cannot show you the users data. Registration 45 registrations till now. तो इसको प्रोग्रेसिव वेब ऐप भी कर सकते हो. Yes, yes, definitely code neurons. I think that's a good input. I will you know do that. Can we build a website and app with single code base? So Supabase, Hemant, it's just backend, so it won't matter. Okay. With respect to front end, of course, we would need to probably consider React Native as one of the options, considering front end is in React. Okay. And yeah, of course, it is cross platform, so things are easier a bit there. Okay, so yes, I mean front end definitely things need to be changed, but see, back end anyways remains same irrespective of the app or website, right? So yes, what are your takes on marking this site? Marking the site. Didn't get your doubt, Udbhav. Marking this site. What do we mean by that? Okay. How are you planning to make income with this? So Jared, there is, of course, a plus subscription, Devshadi plus plus, which is there. But yeah, I mean, like, I would like to see the responses first, basis, that I would take further calls. Okay. Profile crop photo doesn't work. Oh, interesting, Harshit. I did check it out. For me, it was working. Let me know if any, device specific thing is there, or like if it doesn't work for anyone. Let me know. Has anyone else faced the same issue? Kidney girls in okay, I have to find that data, code neurons. I'll have to run a query. I'll let you know. How are you planning to market this? Okay, so that was the question. Cool. So of course, I'm going to use social platforms first of all, and then first of all I'll try organic, and then if I want to market it more, I would probably reach out to some influencers to make some posts or some reels. Okay. At the same time, I'm planning to run some ad campaigns as well. So yes, any inputs on this, I think that would be helpful, because that's actually not my domain as such. Yeah, site looks very nice. Thanks Karthik for your input. Cropping is not working fine. Interesting. Let me have a look at this issue. Neil has said that it's working. Okay. Harshit and Vishu has said that it's not working. So can you be specific with the issue? I mean, like, what exactly in cropping doesn't work? Do let me know. I think that would help me out. Or like maybe there is some commonality between the devices of you two. Uh, that could also assist me. I just tested the cropping feature. It did work on my system. We'll have to see more uh, on the issue actually. Maybe Vishu and Harshit, you can give some more inputs on the cropping issue. Will be very helpful. You closed browser and opened again. It logged me out of the site. Okay. Let me check this as well. Okay. So I did check it for the tab. It's working fine. I will need to check it for the browser. And if I close the browser right now, the live streaming will stop. I will have a look at this. Let me keep a note of it. Browser close. Okay, thing, because for tab it is working fine. One is browser close. Other is crop issue. Crop issue I'm not able to replicate. Will need some more inputs. How are you thinking to manage this along with your full-time job? So of course, it's a hobby, fun project, can be easily managed beyond work. Um, when cropping the image and selection is saved, it's cropping different size what is selected using cell phone. Okay. Okay, let me just have a look at this on my cell phone as well, because I tested it on browser. Actually, I tested on phone as well, but yeah, I can have a look at it again. If you can provide your uh, device info, maybe what kind of device you are using. I think that will also be a bit helpful. Let me just have a look at. Yeah, it does seem to crop well on my device. Okay, no issues. I'll have a look at it. Okay, maybe just try it on different device and then I will fix it. Uh, when you app launch, I think you mean that when are you planning to launch an app? Okay, so yes, interesting. I'll have a look at the kind of response I get on the website first, and then probably try an app launch. Are you ever gonna monetize it? So probably not via ads, but yes, via paid subscription. So yeah, that's my um, idea. You married or planning to get? so so no, I'm not married. Yeah, I am planning to get one from Dev Shadi. Yeah. There are too many complete your profile section when sign in via GitHub. Of course, Bubbly. So basically, to create your profile, or to get relevant matches, or to check your preferences, we will be needing that information, because of course it's a profile which uh, would be given to a matching algorithm, and then basis that data you would get some relevant matches. Okay, there should be more company options like service based mid cap. Okay, I have taken this input. Let me have a look. I think you can probably make it MNC for now. Okay, but yes, I think this is a valid input. Let me just keep a note of it as well. For now, probably you can input as MNC. Too many complete your profile. Okay, and then yes, crop issue I have to check. Browser close I have to check. Okay, cool. Any other issue feedback you have? Feel free to use the chat. Uh, should be an option for media industry. So you can use uh, developer Sabir. Okay, media industry. Like I hope specific domain in media industry would be there. If not, I think there will be an option for an on-tech professional. You can choose that. Okay. 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 So you might be having a specific domain, right, Sabir? I mean, if in tech, then a specific. If not in tech, then you can choose the non-tech option. Yes. There will be a non-tech professional option, full stack engineer. Okay. Then you can choose software engineer full stack. I think that is there. When I see available matches, it shows as 404 matches not found. So, probably the partner preferences which you have set, they are not fulfilling your criteria yet. Okay, you might need to check out it in some time. Okay, and then have a look at it. Okay. So, of course, I've used the partner preferences as one of the major options. I've tried to uh, used date of birth, zodiac compatibility, a lot of options, eventually giving you the matches. Okay, but yes, partner preferences would be the topmost criteria to give you the matches profiles. Yeah. Sorry. Great. I think we are live. Thanks all for joining. Let's wrap it up here. I'll have a look at them 2 3 issues which you have pointed, and of course fix them. And thanks all for joining. You can use the bug report. You can use the feedback. You can use the contact us, any other section in the website if you want to get in touch, report some bugs. Okay. Uh, yeah. Happy to take your inputs. Um, report a bug has no submit. Okay, let me just, that should not be the case actually. There is a submit button. Probably, you might need to scroll. I can see the submit button because let me know if it is a device thing. I can see the submit bug report button. Interesting. Uh, Let me know if you are using uh, a mobile or anything like that, because might need to check those out. Even with basic preferences it shows. So yes, I mean, Sai, you might need to wait for some more users to sign up on the website, and probably then you would get some matches. We have around 65 users as of now, and we have around uh, 80 users active on the website. Okay, so yes, and of course it still has to be YouTube Live is the first platform where it has been made live and informed. But yes, I still have to make announcements on other platforms, and probably then you would get some more matches. Okay, cool. Let's add. Let's end it up here. And thanks all for joining. Let me just end the live stream. Yes.